Hello friends and welcome to the first video of our Cryptocom tutorial. At the end of this tutorial, you will learn how to complete your security, deposit and withdraw, trade in spot and margin markets, provide liquidity, earn passive income, and use trading bots and the NFT platform. But before we start, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, turn on the notifications and follow our other social media accounts such as our Twitter and Telegram channels to keep up with upcoming videos and events. Now, let's get started. You probably have seen or heard of the company if you are a sports fan. From basketball to football, NHL to F1, Cryptocom has various sponsorships. Cryptocom is a Singapore-based cryptocurrency exchange founded in 2016. The company has millions of customers and thousands of employees providing crypto service for over 250 cryptocurrencies. Additionally, the company offers cryptocurrency credit cards, a decentralized exchange, an NFT portal, and a crypto wallet. Like any other exchange, Cryptocom has its native token called CRO. And if you hold a significant stake in CRO, the company rewards you with lower trading fees, higher staking interest rates, and higher credit card rewards. But unlike any other exchange, you must complete your KYC process first to open an account on Crypto.com. The account verification process usually takes about a week, and after you complete your verification, you can access this portal, and through here you can click on your profile icon to adjust your security settings and set a two-factor authenticator to protect your account. You can watch our Bitcoin from the scratch tutorials to learn how to do it. Now continue our tutorial on how to deposit and withdraw crypto or fiat currency on Crypto.com. Here click on the dashboard button. A dashboard is where you can track all your assets in one place. Also you can deposit or withdraw fiat and cryptocurrency through your dashboard. Click on the wallet button to see the listed cryptocurrencies and USD options. Let's start with depositing fiat currency. Click on this deposit button, select the fiat currency option and fill in your bank information. If I want to deposit crypto instead, I choose the crypto button and the network. Once I select the proper network, an address will appear under this barcode. I can click on this copy address button to use this address to deposit crypto from one account to my Crypto.com account. If you don't know how to use a wallet, you can watch our MetaMask tutorials. And if you don't know how to choose the proper network, you can watch our Bitcoin from the scratch tutorials. Now let's continue with how to withdraw crypto or fiat currency. Here is a button and you can choose crypto or fiat currency for the USD option. Like in the deposit option, you must fulfill your bank details for the fiat currency. If you transfer the cryptocurrency, choose the external wallet address, type the wallet address and amount in these boxes, select the proper network and click on this withdrawal button. Now let's continue with the market option and spot trading. As I said earlier, Crypto.com supports trading for more than 250 cryptocurrencies and you can access, observe and trade every single one of those currencies through the market option. Here we have the spot, perpetual, futures and warrants options. Let's check the spot market. You can type the coin name in the search box and you can add your favorite cryptocurrencies to track them easily by clicking on this star icon. Also you can see the latest price, percentage change, current high and low, and the 24-hour market volume. You can click on this trade button to use the spot market for any coin. A spot trade is when a trader buys or sells a financial asset, in this case crypto, within specific time frames. Spot trading is the safest way of trading compared to margin and futures trading. Here we have the parity option. You can select which parity you want to use, then type the token name in the search box. For example, I prefer USD parity, but you can change it to USDT, Bitcoin or CRO. Currently we are on the USD Bitcoin parity and what you see on the screen is our price graphic. On top of it there are time intervals where you can track your assets for different periods starting from 1 minute to a 1 month timeline. You can also use technical tools such as support resistance and patterns. Based on their predictions, traders use this graphic to track if the asset price will fall or increase. Also you can look at the current market depth as the total number of buyers and sellers. You will see the price point for each buy and sell order that matters in the current market. And based on this data, you can predict if the market price will go up or down. You can watch our technical analysis tutorial to learn how to use it. We have limit, market and stop loss limit order buttons here. You must use the limit order button if you are waiting for a specific price point. You can type the price on this box and set the amount from here. After setting up, you can click on the buy or sell buttons. In this way, you can trade with less loss possible. For example, if I use the market market button. Since the market price is very volatile, I may buy at a higher price and sell at a lower price, which that should be the opposite. And also, as you can see, the set price option is gone now. The system will sell or buy assets based on their current market prices. Stop loss options are must-use options. As I said earlier, the crypto market is very volatile, and since you cannot be on top of the computer screen all the time, you must set stop loss limit orders to reduce the chance of losing profit. For example, I bought Bitcoin at 20,000 and expect it to increase to 22,000. But what if it doesn't? And what if I don't have access to my mobile or PC when it starts to decrease? For these types of reasons, one must always set stop loss limit orders. In this way, I can create a sell order at 19,800 and place a trigger for it at 19,900. If the price falls to 19,900, my sell order will open at 19,800. Here we have the order book to track the current buy and sell positions. Also, you can switch it to see only buy or sell orders. Under it, we have the market trades, and here we can track the completed orders such as what as of buy or sell, when and how much. If you scroll down a bit, you will see the current positions, open orders, and order history dashboard. Here you can track your data and also cancel your order requests. I don't know if you have noticed, but here we have the trading bot option. You can use the option at the top or the right next to the spot button. Nowadays, almost every exchange uses its trading bot to make trading easier for new users. Trading bot works based on specific algorithms and calculates price fluctuations. Based on this data, trading bots automate trading strategies. However, as this is a still developing system, instead of profiting, you may end up losing. There are two ways of using these bots. Either you can go for the AI mode to keep it all autonomous, or the manual mode where you can set your price estimations. If you do it manually, you can also decide how many grids you would like to use. But keep in mind that for each extra grid, your investment requirement will increase. For example, let's set a high and low price and choose how many grids we would like to add. If my grid level is 5 for each $1,000 worth of price movement, this trading bot will buy or sell Bitcoin or any other crypto on my behalf. It is the end of today's episode, and we will continue with the futures trade, staking, learning options, and other benefits in the next episode. Also, you can sign up to Crypto.com with the link you can find below this video to receive discounts from your transaction fees. And as an addition, you can watch our exchanges tutorials to learn how to use the other exchanges. Don't forget to drop a like under this video and subscribe to our channels to keep up with upcoming events and possible airdrop chances. Thank you for watching and take care until next time.